So many different beings represented on the art that I've seen today. So many different spirals and oscillating lines. And so many times when it's like everything is connected into itself, like this prayer wheel down here with the different rungs, almost like a ladder, and then stemming from this large oscillating line, descending down, and then seemingly everything else connected here, and then more oscillating lines and spiral. Just the interconnectedness of all things. And then up here on the Great Hunt panel, they say that that being at the top center, is typical of the Fremont art style. It's very interesting to me how all of these different animals, they say that they're bighorn sheeps, how they're all connected one to the other, and tail to nose for the most part. Even at the top, the top three left, the furthest right of those, he's connected in with the large being in the center. And then the animal, the bighorn sheep to the right of that being, their tail is the oscillating line connecting into the ground / connecting into that being. It's almost like they're representing, and most likely representing, the interconnectedness and the oneness of all things. Very beautiful, very powerful. And unfortunately, lots of graffiti around, lots of marks. But by the grace of what's greater, we still have so many of these undisturbed. It's hard to tell, maybe that little prayer wheel was supposed to be there. The rest of those marks are not. But seemingly they were, because they are. So I love you. Make a beautiful day. I know we can. I know we will. I know we are. Cheers.